What if I told you there's a website giving away 20,000 free voice generation credits right now? No credit card, no free trial tricks, and you can even clone your own voice in seconds. Now, is it better than 11 Labs? No, but for a completely free tool, the quality is honestly impressive. So, if you're creating YouTube videos, shorts, reels, podcasts, or AI content, this might save you a lot of money. Let me show you exactly how it works. The website is called Cartesia Sonic. I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. Open the website and you'll land on this page. Now look for the Try Sonic button and click on it. You'll need to create a free account first. You can sign up using Google, GitHub, or manually using your name, email, and password. I'm going to use the manual method. Just fill in your details and click continue. The registration process only takes a few seconds. Once you're inside, you'll see a very clean and simple dashboard. Now here's the interesting part. Go to the subscription section. And as you can see, this account comes with 20,000 free credits. That's enough for a lot of testing, voiceovers, and content creation before you ever need to think about upgrading. But what really caught my attention is the voice cloning feature. If you want to clone your own voice, go to the Instant Clone tab. From here, you have two options. You can either upload an audio file or directly record your voice from your browser. The platform recommends a short voice sample. I'm going to upload one of my recordings. Now select the best and cleanest part of your audio. The clearer the recording, the better the cloned voice will sound. After that, give your voice a name, select the language, and click clone. Now wait a few seconds. And that's it. Your clone voice is ready. The entire process is surprisingly fast. Now let's see the most important part. Can it actually generate natural sounding speech? Go to the text to speech section. Select the voice model we just created. I've already prepared a script for testing. Let me paste it into the text box. And now all we need to do is click generate. The AI will process the text and create the voiceover. Let's listen to the result. But having a desktop is one thing. The real question is whether it can actually do useful work. Let's put it to the test. First, I'll open a terminal and verify that we're working inside a real Debian environment. We can check system information, inspect running processes, and navigate through directories exactly like a normal Linux installation. Next, we can install packages. And honestly, for a free tool, that's pretty good. It's not quite at the level of 11 Labs yet. The emotions, consistency, and realism are still slightly behind. But for YouTube videos, shorts, tutorials, faceless content, and testing ideas, it does a very solid job. So if you've been looking for a free 11 Labs or Minimax alternative, Cartesia Sonic is definitely worth trying. You get 20,000 free credits, voice cloning, text to speech generation, and a clean interface without spending anything. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you want to test it yourself. If this video helped you discover a useful AI tool, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.